3 bedrooms, 1 level with a great meadow view and gorgeous Saddle Lake Farms. Colleen and David Black, Keller Williams Realty. Call on Colleen.
I'm James Spann. This is the Weather Extreme video. This is for Thursday morning, the 12th of November, and we are looking at beautiful weather through the weekend. Next week, the forecast gets a little more challenging. Let's look out the window this morning. Some Skycam shots. First off, coming from Tuscaloosa. That's the Hugh Thomas Bridge connecting downtown Tuscaloosa and downtown Northport. Clear and cold. There's a look at the Clanton City Hall down in Chilton County. And from Inverness. That's a view out there on Highway 280 at the insane hour of 5 o'clock. Hardly anybody out there this morning. In the short term, we are in good shape. The system formerly known as Ida, producing wind and rain up on the middle Atlantic coast. Very fast jet stream out west. A lot of high clouds out there, but we're in great shape. We'll enjoy a bright sunny day today. Cold out there this morning. 39 at Haleyville, Birmingham at 42. But we warm up into the mid-60s today. And the rain for the next 5 days. This is the QPF graphic showing nothing for most of Alabama. This is valid through Monday evening, and all of a sudden the GFS is really slowing things down next week with this next rain producer, as you'll see. Let's look at modeling. This is the 06Z run of the GFS, the Global Forecast System, valid at noon today. This is at 500 millibars, roughly 18 to 20,000 feet up. And you can see the trough to the east, the old Ida, and broad troughing out west, but we're kind of in between all of that, so today will be beautiful. Sunny with mid-60s, still kind of breezy out of the north. Tomorrow, we warm up to near 70, another day of blue sky and sunshine. Mid-70s likely on Saturday. That'll be nice, bright sunny day, just like the weather last Saturday, and pretty much the same deal on Sunday. Wonderful weather, dry and mild. All right, let's look at the model madness. This is next week, Monday. Now the trough shows up well to the west of previous positions. Digging down across the Texas Panhandle, that keeps all the action way out west, and we stay bone dry Monday. And, of course, if the 12Z run does the same thing, we'll certainly lean in this direction and go dry for Monday. And really, Tuesday we stay dry with that band of showers holding off to the west. Then finally, Wednesday, it drifts in here. But the upper support is weakening, and it looks like really no big rain event at all, just a chance of a few showers on Wednesday. And again, we're not going to change anything at the moment. We'll kind of target Tuesday as the day, but this is suggesting it might be Wednesday, and it might not be a big deal. I also note some kind of a wedging developing from the east, might be a bit cooler there. And Thursday, we got a kind of a broad southeast flow here, a moist air mass, but no real trigger for rain. And again, it doesn't look like a big deal. Let's go out there 5 more days. Wow. This deep, long-wave trough has been on the board all week. Now, the position, the timing, of course, changes from run to run, but this is on the 24th of November, and if that's right, that would flood much of the central U.S. with very cold air, maybe setting up a pretty good little storm event for us. And look what happens 3 days later. The southern part of that cuts off into a very deep upper low over Mississippi with extremely low thickness values. And if that's right, how about some November snow here? And the thickness values are low because of the cold air aloft, not really at the surface. And I'm not saying it's going to snow, and I'm not saying this is going to happen, but the idea of a long-wave trough is certainly on the table and has not gone off the board out there later this month, and we'll be watching that carefully. That's it for the Weather Extreme video today. We will have notes on our blog, the next video by 3:30 or so today. And, of course, if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on TV this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Each day, there are new stories to tell about the people who live here and the place we call home.
All of the faces that I see, all of the places close to me, they're all part of all the best things about home.
Sharing your stories on ABC 3340, Alabama's news leader.